Good morning, students. Students, in this video, we will study about Vista's second chapter, The Tiger King, written by Kalki. Kalki, about the author, let me explain. Sri R. Krishnamurthy, the great Tamil writer, popularly known as Kalki, has authored 35 volumes of short stories, many novels, biographies, and essays. Kalki has the rare talent of taking the reader back to the point and the time of history when the story is supposed to have taken place. So let us see what is there in the story. Student, the story begins with the narrator introduces the reader to the late Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram, popularly known as the Tiger King. The Maharaja, as we are told, met his end in an extraordinary manner. When the king was born, the chief astrologer predicted that he would grow up to become a hero and a mighty warrior, but that he would eventually die. To everybody's astonishment, students, the 10-day-old prince started to speak. He brushed aside the prediction. He said, "Everyone dies eventually," he remarked, and demanded to know how he would die. The chief astrologer told the prince that a tiger would cause his death. Infant Prince, however, was least affected by this. Once the prince turned 20, he became the Maharaja. Soon he became aware of the prediction made at his birth. The young king resolved to hunt a tiger to prove the prediction false. After killing his first tiger, as you can see in the picture also, students, he triumphantly sent for the astrologer. The astrologer declared that the Maharaja could kill 99 tigers, but should beware the 100th tiger. From then, the tiger hunting was prohibited in Pratibandhapuram for everyone but the Maharaja. The Maharaja was fearless on his hunts and even killed a few tigers with his bare hands also. However, he neglected all his kingly duties in his obsession to prove the astrologer wrong. So obsessed was he that he nearly lost his throne when he did not allow even a high ranking British officer to hunt tigers. Finally, a gift worth 3 lakh rupees sent to the officer's wife saved his throne. He was so obsessed. And then, student, do you know what happened? In 10 years, the Maharaja killed 70 tigers. He could kill no more as he had wiped out the entire tiger population of his region. Then, to continue his mission, do you know what he did? He married a princess from a state that had a large tiger population. And every time he visited his father in law, he would shoot 5 or 6 tigers, and soon he killed 99 tigers. Now it became impossible to locate even a single tiger anywhere, and the Maharaja became gloomy and temperamental. News of a tiger near a hillside village turned out to be baseless. The angry Maharaja ordered his Diwan to double the taxes. The Diwan, fearing a mutiny and the prospect of losing his job, decided to do something. He had an elderly tiger that had been smuggled in from the Madras Zoo. He took it to the forest where the Maharaja was hunting and left it there only. As you can see the picture. Maharaja found the tiger and was overjoyed. He took an aim and shot at his 100th innocent tiger. His joy knew no bound at his win over destiny, and he ordered that the dead beast be brought to the town for a procession. Once the Maharaja left, the hunters with the Maharaja realized that the beast was not dead. The Maharaja had missed his mark, and the animal had only fainted. One of the hunters then shot the tiger, and it was paraded through the town as per the Maharaja's wish. The Maharaja, now content, started paying attention to his family. He hunted now. He he hunted for a gift for his son's third birthday and decided to buy a wooden tiger he saw in a toy shop, an ideal gift according to him. When the Maharaja and his son were playing with the wooden tiger, do you know what happened? A tiny piece of wood pierced the Maharaja's hand, and the wound caused an infection that spread all over the Maharaja's arm. Three surgeons operated on him, but in vain. Thus, the tiger was eventually brought down by the 100th tiger, a mere wooden tiger, a toy tiger. So, in this way, the prediction of astrologers' prediction of astrologer proved correct at the end of the story. Thank you, students.